Come with me as I take this journey on a beautiful excursion in God's beautiful nature. You can hear the birds. You can hear the sound of the trees, the way the sun comes down and kisses the earth, embracing the trees. Come with me on this journey. Walk and talk, motivational moments in the park. You cannot help but capture the cinematic beauty of God's beauty, the cinematic nature and the beautiful sound of all the beautiful squirrel, birds, parakeets, all the different types singing beautiful songs, and they're actually welcoming the beautiful morning, the beautiful day as we walk and as you capture the morning dew and the beautiful ray of sunshine as it captures the beauty of the day. The beautiful saying that I have is this: if you find yourself doing something that is working, then go all the way. Do not stop, but just keep walking. Different pathways may come your way, but you'll see the right way where to go. Right now, choices, but keep going, and keep going. What is your journey? What is your destination? Where is your pathway that you're seeking to take? Well, I tell you this, your pathway is already made for you. It is for you to find it and to walk that way. The final furlong, as you make that final turn, as you complete this journey of a lifetime, the morning walk, the evening walk, and whatever walk, you'll find many along the same journey, also seeking that pathway of full nature. And ladies and gentlemen, as I complete this beautiful talk, I want you to know that this is the day and this is the moment, and this is where I end this beautiful journey. Walk and talk, motivational moments in the park. Have a great day. Walk and talk, motivational moments in the park. I'm Sylbourne Sydial. Thank you.